Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician. I'm coming at you this week to comparatively shop high-end versus low-end dishwashers price-wise. And when I mean low-end, I do not mean cheap. I just mean more affordable than non-affordable. Okay. Well, we'll start here with this one right here. Okay. It is basically your old plastic tub style that doesn't have a whole lot of frills and functions. It's basically just a, get the job done as quickly, as efficiently as possible, which is still a very good machine, okay? But it doesn't have a lot of the high-end functions that some of the other ones do, okay? Now, this is a good machine. Don't get me wrong. I am not saying cheap as in not good. I'm saying cheap as affordable, okay? Now, if you come over to here, we've got some little more high-priced ones like this unit right here, okay? This is a steel tub, a little heavier, whole lot more thing, and it has a whole bunch of functions that this will do, okay? And it will sanitize, it will wash your baby's clothes off, it will make sure there are no germs. It does a lot of things, okay? Is it better? For me, no. Because like I said, I'm single, I have no family, I have no kids, I need nothing that needs to be sanitized or any special requirements, okay? So yeah. The lower end dishwasher is one of the things I would like. Now, also what plays into that is color. You've got, stainless steel regular. You've got the darker stainless, and then a little more darker, and you got different styles and finishes, and you pay for that. Okay, that's part of what the cost is. So, dishwashers, are they all made equally? No. Okay, obviously, the more you pay, the more functions you're going to get. Now, me personally, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of money on a dishwasher because I do maybe 1 to 2 loads a week. Okay, max. I just don't have a lot of dishes, so there's really no whole lot for me. Now, if I had a family and I'm doing dishes after breakfast, dishes after lunch, dishes after dinner, I'm going to want a little more efficient dishwasher. Now, this one here, the technology really hasn't changed a whole lot, so it is going to be, pretty much like the older school, takes a little bit longer, not quite as energy efficient. Now you start getting into some of these higher end ones, okay, and we'll use this one for instance, okay. These cycles will do a lot of things. You have a lot more options. Your racks are a little nicer. You're paying for a lot of stuff that is a much nicer object, and it does work more efficiently. It does heat everything better. It does, make sure everything is, it's not cleaner, it just goes into the sanitized modes, okay? Now, functionality-wise, they do the same thing. This dishwasher versus that dishwasher versus any of these dishwashers we have here are not going to fully dry your dishes anymore, okay? That's not going to happen. You need to use stuff called rinse aid. You have to use that on these ones these days, okay? But if you don't use rinse aid, you're going to find water spots, you're going to find little water puddles on top of your glass if you got them turned upside down, things like that. Doesn't matter which one of these you choose, they're not going to make that go away. So basically, you've got your lower cost and then you've got your higher cost dishwashers, okay? Fit and finish is something that you have to think about when you buy something. Not all stainless is the same. If you look across these dishwashers, they're all stainless, but you can tell different manufacturers have a different color of stainless steel. So when you're going to go buy one, maybe that lower end one there actually fits the stainless steel you already have in your house. Or you can go back up and then you can have colors of white and black and bisque. And yes, you can still get bisque, but you have to order bisque, okay? Nobody has bisque anymore except me. I've got a bisque fridge and a bisque stove, and yes, I will keep them until the day they die. But until then, that's a different issue. So, dishwashers, high price versus low price, you get what you pay for. The more you pay, the more options you get, the more things your dishwasher will do, okay? If you're just a bare bones basic guy like me, all you need is the lower end, take care of your dishes, get them done, get it out, and you're happy. Now, like I said, a friend of mine's got kids, so he wants everything sanitized because he pretty much knows kids lick everything, so he wants everything in his house sanitized. You go, boy. But that's not me. So, wrapping it all up, are they different? Yes. Are they better? Not really. It's just what do you want it to do? The more it does, the more you pay. Okay? So on that note, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll come back for more good information, and we'll all see you next time. Have a good day.